This is the easiest and tastiest pasta recipe you'll ever have, and it's my go-to.
To start this off, we want to get everything prepped, so chop up your tomatoes in half and roughly chop your peppers, get your chilies ready, and then we want to put the pasta water on.
First things first, put your pasta in the boiling water and cook it as per packet instructions, and then leave that on the side so that now we can concentrate on the star of the show, the sauce.
This pasta recipe was one of my go-tos during university, and it's so easy to make and it's such a staple in our home. So we've got a pan here on a low to medium heat and just added some olive oil and then gone in with our chilies.
After a few minutes of cooking down the chilies, add in your cherry tomatoes. One thing I love here is the sound of that sizzle as the cherry tomatoes are cooking.
Once your cherry tomatoes have cooked for a few minutes, you're ready to add in your peppers. This is a great way to add colour to the dish, so use whichever coloured peppers you can get.
Now it's time to add in your seasoning, so add in a generous amount of salt and pepper, and make sure you add in lots and lots of your pesto.
A neat trick to make sure you get all of that pesto goodness out of the jar, just add a little bit of the pasta water into the jar and give it a good mix and then pour it in.
And now the secret goodness for all the creaminess inside the pasta, cream cheese.
The sauce is almost done, so add a generous amount of mixed herbs and then top with freshly chopped basil.
If you watch the rest of our videos, then you know how much we love chili, so we're going to add a little bit more chili flakes in here. And also, when you're draining your pasta, key thing is to make sure you keep some of that pasta water goodness for later to put in the sauce like we've just done now.
Add enough pasta water to make the sauce the right consistency for you, and then you're ready to add in your drained pasta.
Mix the pasta really well and making sure you coat all of that pasta with this delicious sauce and serve up on a plate. If you like these delicious and easy to make recipes, then hit that subscribe button.